Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata and you're trying to find where your PCM fuse is located. You may have guys up to 4 fuses, make sure to stay until the end, we'll explain where they're located. Now, it should work on generation Hyundai Sonata year 2009 to year 2015. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan guys? To make at least 200 guys free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300 guys mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called How to Repair guys, right here guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. So this is it guys, 2013 Hyundai Sonata, okay, that we have right here that we will be working on. So if you come right here, you have that fuse box. You have one tap here, one there, squish, pull straight up, put it that way guys. And if we put it that way, okay, the layout of the fuse, okay, right here of that fuse box will correspond to what we have specifically here. The first fuse guys that we need to find for the PCM, okay, it's also known as ECU fuse. It's number ECU number 4, 10M fuse. So if you come right here, okay, it's this fuse over there. So how you guys remove that fuse? Grab the fuse puller, push, okay, open, go on top of the fuse, pull it out, okay, then squish, release it, perfect. Now this is the fuse. I guys always recommend to test your fuses. Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse and you cannot tell if it's a good or better 100% of the time guys. So always test it, because if you put the fuse back, you thought it was good but actually it's a bad fuse, what will happen? You will guys end up, okay, you will end up putting more time, money, effort to fix your car when it's not worth it, and all we had to do, replace or test the fuse. If you want to see how to test it, we will have the video on the channel and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. It takes only a few seconds to test it guys. That's one of the fuses. If you need to buy replacement fuses for your Hyundai Sonata or relays, we'll put the links as well. Another thing, you have another fuse, okay, that can control that, and it's actually under a wiper fuse. So coming right here, that 10M fuse, okay, next to the fuse pull right here, that's for the PCM as well. Also, you have another fuse guys that's known as the TCU, okay, coming this way, okay, TCU number 1, because you have TCU number 2, not this one. So we need to find TCU number 1 fuse. That will be the one, okay, right here, 20M fuse. So if you come here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this fuse right here is as well for the PCM. And after that, you're going to have ECU number 3 guys. ECU number 3, okay, that's ESC. So let me see where exactly that fuse was located so we can show you this one as well. ECU number 3, 10M fuse right here. So those are for the PCM guys. All 4 fuses control the PCM. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.